How to fix contact not showing in WhatsApp. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. If a contact is not showing in WhatsApp, it is because of a bug issue or a glitch. We can easily solve this problem by following this step. Head back from your WhatsApp application. Then tap open your phone settings. In this list, scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. From here, select all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp and tap on it. Force stop the application, then head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. You can tap on clear storage if you want a fresh start using your WhatsApp application. While you are in your phone setting, you can head back to the main setting option. From here, scroll down and select the option of System Update and make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the WhatsApp version. You can also press and hold on to your WhatsApp, go to App Info and follow the simple step of clearing up the cache and force stopping it. Once you do this, the bug issue will be solved. To check for an update, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. Select the application. And if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that is how you can easily fix the issue of your contacts not showing. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.